House, distinguished guests, our UP President, Attorney Eduardo R. Gullias, our UP Vice President for Academics, Dr. Jackie Gullias Weckman, our UP Vice President for Finance, Dr. Joselito R. Gullias, the Deans of the different colleges, faculty members, friends, my fellow Visayanians, good afternoon. My life is filled with difficulties, yet God strengthens me. I never thought I could have gone this far. After all the hardships, I can truly say that God has been guiding me all the way. It is such a great blessing to be one of the top-notchers in the September 2010 licensure examinations for teachers. Who could have thought that a young lady who comes from a low-profile family in Buanoy, Balamban could make it to the 7th place? I believe that I am only an instrument chosen by God to bring honor to my alma mater, the University of the Visayas Toledo City Campus in particular, and to the University of the Visayas Cebu City in general. UP has shown to me that it's really possible for a financially deprived student to achieve his or her dreams. UP has sheltered me and has opened new doors to develop my potentialities. That is why I am very proud to be a Visayanian. I belong to an institution with a big heart. This achievement I have could never be made possible without the helping hands of these wondrous people. So, I offer this award to them. First, to the Almighty Father for His incessant support and mercy. Second, to my family, my uncle, especially to my mother for his extraordinary efforts. Third, to the faculty and staff of UP Toledo who have guided and molded me in the field of teaching. Fourth, to my friends and co-teachers in UP Elementary Department. Thank you so much for your warm welcome. To the UP administration, thank you for your deep appreciation. You are the living proof of God's goodness and love. The blessings I have was not only the fruits of my own prayers, but from others who have prayed for me. May our institution continue to produce new set of top-notchers in the succeeding years to come. Thank you, and God bless us all.